First of all, this island is probably the biggest island I've ever seen. In fact, if we were to measure this, of course I don't know where that is. Do you want me to do that again? I'm Jay Overbye, and I'm about to give you a tour of this spectacular 5-room co-op right across from Riverside Park. Let's go check it out.
This custom masterpiece begins as you enter a spacious foyer with 2 generous customized closets and a sitting nook. Transitioning to the grand layout, you are struck by the depth that's nearly 50 feet from foyer to park-facing living room windows.
So what I love about this space is that, first of all, it's wide. You have a living and dining area that's nearly 14 feet. And you have enough depth here to have really your own separate living space. Not to mention the really soothing views you have here over Riverside Park. So we are in one of the most magnificent kitchens on the Upper West Side. First of all, this island is probably the biggest island I've ever seen, and it's really functional. As far as size goes, I don't know, let's measure it. It's almost 13 feet. I just haven't seen anything this large. All Caesar stone countertops, beautifully done. As far as the appliances go, we've got a French oven, speed oven, Liebherr. Obviously, you've got a beautiful Genair 5-burner. Beautifully though, this vents out, not to be taken for granted. Speaking of venting out, we have a beautiful washer dryer that also vents out. And then one of my favorite spots, of course, is the wet bar. Beautiful Liebherr wine fridge. And your choice of accoutrements.
Visiting the sleeping wing, there are 2 ideally situated, abundant, quiet bedrooms with Riverside Park views. The master bedroom offers its own integrated vanity, 9 custom closets, and an elegant sliding window curtain for privacy. The ensuite master bathroom boasts double vanities and Toto fixtures, including dual rainwater shower heads. Exploring the rest of the extensive plan, you discover an ideally located bonus room currently set up as a home office. To complete this masterful jewel is a mint second bathroom, customized lighting throughout, rich maple floors, new windows, and clever Legrand pop-out outlets throughout the home.
So thanks for joining me for this tour of this spectacular Upper West Side home. If you'd love to see it, please email me or call me. And as always, I hope to see you real soon.